Okay, so we're going to draw a sort of curved pipe shape with the Follow Me tool. So I'm just going to start by drawing a circle, and then what I want to do is rotate this circle so it goes on its side, okay, because we want our pipe to be sort of on its side, if you like. So I'm going to do this with the rotate tool just here, and I'm going to put this sort of protractor on top of the circle that I want to rotate. And I am going to, on the keyboard, press Control and the left arrow key. Okay, Control and the left arrow key. And that will give us this green axis. Okay, so I'm going to click and click again, and I can rotate on the axis to make a circle on its side. Okay, like that. All right. Now, I'm going to now draw the line that I want the circle to follow. Okay, because we want a sort of curved shape to this pipe. So I'm going to get my 2-point arc tool. I'll find the middle of the circle and draw a line out there. Okay, and just to kind of wherever you want it to end, and then we can then make the arc of whatever it is we want to do. So let's put the arc maybe kind of there. Okay, so it will be sort of an angle, I think, in midair. Ooh, look at that, that's a good one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the Follow Me tool from over here, and I'm going to click on the circle and just follow along the line. Okay, let's go off my screen slightly there. Okay, so we've now got this sort of curved shape. Okay, so we can pretty much make any shape using that idea. Okay, so we can draw a line using any of the line tools, use the Follow Me to drag our shape along. Okay, so I've now got a sort of curved pipe style shape.